Dear student, today I am going to deliver topic beta-lactam antibiotics. So first of all, we see the content of beta-lactam antibiotics. That is, what are the content? The procedure definition. Second is your classification of antibiotic. Third is historical background. Fourth is sources. Fifth is chemistry of penicillin. Sixth is SAR of penicillin. Seventh is mechanism action of penicillin. 8 is spectrum activity. 9 is uses of penicillin. 10 is side effect of penicillin. So, what is first we discuss about what is antibiotics. So, what is the definition? Antibiotics are chemical substances produced by microorganisms which at high dilution can inhibit the growth of multiplication or kill other organisms. So, next is your antibiotic term was coined by Waxman and Woodruff in 1942. So next we discuss about the structure of beta-lactam antibiotics. So first is your that is they contain cyclic amide group or ring, so they are called lactam. So second is your beta position of cyclic amide contains nitrogen atom, hence they are called beta-lactam ring. Third point is they are four-member cyclic ring, so they are also known as agitated ring. Hence, beta-lactam is also known as azithromycin ring. Next, we come to the examples of beta-lactam antibiotics. There are two examples given. First is your cephalosporin. Second is your penicillin. In these both the cases, we have seen that beta-lactam ring is present. Okay, so I already shown the beta-lactam ring. They contain beta-lactam in their molecular structure, and the nitrogen is attached to the beta carbon relative to the carbonyl ring. Hence, the name is beta-lactam antibiotics. Next, we come to the classification of antibiotics based on the mode of action. There are two types: bacteriostatic and bactericidal. So, and based on their spectrum of action, there are two types: there is broad spectrum and narrow spectrum antibiotics. Next, we come to the type of antibiotics based on their mode of action. There is vectorstatics. The examples are tetracycline, streptomycin, sulfonamides, macrolides, chloramphenicol, trimethoprim. And vectoricidal antibiotics includes penicillin, cephalosporin, fluoroquinolones. Example is your ciprofloxacin, glycopeptides, there is vancomycin, monovectams, carbapenems. Next, we come to antibiotics based on their structural similarity, that is beta-lactams, macrolides, fluoroquinolones, tetracyclines, aminoglycosides. Then next is your what are the mode of action of antibiotics? That is, they are generally inhibitors of DNA synthesis, inhibitor of bacterial protein synthesis, inhibitor of bacterial cell wall synthesis, interference with the metabolism, and last one is your impairment of nucleic acid. Next, what are the targets of antibiotics? Generally, they inhibit cell wall synthesis. Examples are penicillin, cephalosporin, vancomycin. They also cause disruption of cell membrane function. Example, polymyxin. They also cause inhibition of translation. Example, tetracycline, erythromycin, streptomycin, chloramphenicol. They also act on inhibition of metabolism. Example, sulfonamides. They inhibit transcription. Example of antibiotic is rifamycin. They inhibit DNA replication. That is quinolones. Then next is your beta-lactam drugs. The classification are penicillin, cephalosporin. Other beta-lactam drugs are cefamycin, carbapenems, oxa, cephalosporins, beta-lactamase inhibitors, monovectams. Examples of some beta-lactam with structure: penicillin structure is given, cephalosporin structure is given, then monovectame structure is given and carbapenems. Next is how these beta-lactam antibiotics work. That is, beta-lactam binds to the penicillin binding protein PVP, and then PVP is unable to cross-link peptidoglycan chains. Mm, Then the bacteria is unable to synthesize double cell wall, and lastly the bacteria is lysed or died. Next, mechanism of beta-lactam drugs. Since beta-lactam drugs contains amide, so due to this drug, they usually reactive due to ring strength and conformation arrangement, which does not allow lone pair of nitrogen to interact with double bond of carbonyl. Beta-lactams acetylate the hydroxyl group on the serine residue of PVP active site in an irreversible manner. This reaction is further aided by oxyanion hole, which stabilize the tetrahedral intermediate and thereby reduce transition state energy. Next, discovery of penicillin is the first beta-lactam drug. So this is discovered in 1928 while working in his lab. So this antibiotic was discovered by Alexander Fleming, and he discovered uh, this. It was a mode of penicillin, not atom. Next is how it was developed. It was developed in Oxford University scientists headed by our Florey and Ernest B. Chen helped to develop penicillin. Next is your